How to get free stuffs on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can get free stuff on Temu. Now, can you actually get the free stuff from Temu? Well, indeed, Temu offers various ways to snag some freebies. However, it's not as simple as just downloading the application and waiting for the gifts. Now, the platform often runs promos like limited time flash sales where you can grab items at incredibly low prices. Now, what you can do is you can open up the application, log into your account, right? At the home page, you should get an interface like this. Now, you can see as soon as I opened up, it says me get new user bonus. So I'm getting the new user bonus here, coupon bundle. I can just spin it here and it'll take me to the spin page, and I can spin it and I can get the coupon here. So here, as you can see, I have got the 200 coupon here, and I can tap on get now and I can pick the first item and get here. Now similarly, what you can do is here, now I'll just head back from here. In order to get the freebies, you can head into U option at the bottom of your screen. Once here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the messages option, the very first option that you can see there, messages. So you want to tap on it. Under it, you want to head into promotions. Now here under promotions, you'll have to wait until you see a daily gift box option. Now it's not here currently, but you should be able to get here depending if it is available. Then opening these free boxes can earn you special deals, promos, and even account credit. You can also enter Temu organized giveaways in order to get free stuffs. And Temu, hope this helps you to like and subscribe. And do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.